Hello everyone. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides IMS 2 days online training. ISO 45001 2018 and ISO 14001 2015 standards. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. So in this video we will walk you through the 2 days online integrated management system training program covering ISO 45001 2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System and ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System. This program is especially designed for professionals who are involved in HSE management, IMS implementation, internal auditing, consultancy, and compliance responsibilities. Over the next few minutes, we will explain what an integrated management system is, why ISO 45001 and ISO 14001 are critical for organizations, and how this 2-day structured online program will help you gain practical and implementable knowledge. Let us begin with an overview of integrated management systems, commonly known as IMS. What is an integrated management system, IMS? An integrated management system is an unified framework that allows organizations to manage multiple ISO standards together. Instead of maintaining separate systems for occupational health and safety, environmental management, quality, or other disciplines, IMS integrates these systems into one coherent structure, reducing duplication, improving efficiency, and strengthening compliance. Both ISO 45001 and ISO 14001 are based on the Annex SL high-level structure, which makes integration logical, systematic, and effective. This training focuses on understanding individual standard requirements and how they can be aligned, integrated, and implemented together. Training structure overview. This is a 2 days live online training program. Day 1 is dedicated to ISO 45001 2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Day 2 is dedicated to ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System. Each day includes clause by clause explanation, practical interpretation, real world examples, and interactive question and answer sessions. Now let us see day 1. ISO 45001 2018 overview. Let us now understand what will be covered on day 1, focusing on ISO 45001 2018. We begin with an introduction to Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems, purpose and benefits of ISO 45001, and its alignment with the PDCA Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. Context of the organization. Participants will learn how to understand internal and external issues, identify interested parties, define the scope of the OH&S management system, leadership and worker participation. This section explains leadership roles and responsibilities, top management commitment, worker consultation and participation, formation of OH&S committees, OH&S policy and objectives. We cover developing an effective OH&S policy, setting measurable OH&S objectives, aligning objectives with organizational risks and opportunities, hazard identification and risk assessment. A critical part of ISO 45001 includes hazard identification techniques, risk assessment methodologies, determining OH and S risks and opportunities, hierarchy of controls, legal and other requirements. Participants will understand identification of applicable legal requirements, compliance obligations, evaluation of legal compliance, operational planning and control. This section explains operational controls, contractor and outsourced activity control, change management, procurement and design considerations. Emergency preparedness and response. We discuss emergency scenario identification, emergency response planning, testing and reviewing emergency preparedness, performance evaluation, including monitoring and measurement, OH and S performance indicators, internal audit overview, incident investigation and corrective action. Participants will learn incident reporting, root cause analysis, corrective and preventive actions, management review and control improvement. What we will cover in this? Concluding day 1 with management review inputs and outputs, control improvement of OH and S performance. Okay, so with this we will conclude day 1. Now day 2. Day 2 we will cover ISO 14000 2015 standard overview. On day 2 the focus shifts to ISO 14001 2015 environmental management system. We begin with an introduction to environmental management principles, sustainability and environmental protection, benefits of implementing ISO 14001, context of the organization. First, participants will understand environmental conditions affecting the organization, needs and expectations of interested parties, scope of the environmental management system, leadership and environmental policy, covering leadership commitment, environmental policy requirements, roles, responsibilities and authorities, environmental aspects and impacts. A key requirement of ISO 14001 includes identification of environmental aspects, evaluation of environmental impacts, determining significant aspects, life cycle perspective, compliance obligations. We discuss identification of environmental laws and regulations, compliance evaluation methods, legal registers, environmental objectives and planning, including setting environmental objectives, action plans, performance indicators, operational control. Participants will learn about process controls, waste management, resource efficiency, supplier and contractor controls. Emergency preparedness and response, covering environmental emergencies, spill control, response and recovery planning, monitoring, measurement and evaluation, including environmental performance monitoring, data analysis, internal audit overview, non-conformity and corrective action, covering handling environmental incidents, corrective actions, control improvement. Then management review, ensuring system effectiveness, environmental performance improvement. Then IMS integration, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001. Okay, so in the final session we focus on integrating ISO 45001 and ISO 14001 into a single IMS. Participants will understand common clauses and documentation, integrated policies and objectives, combined risk and opportunity assessment, integrated internal audits, single management review process. This approach helps organizations reduce documentation, improve efficiency, strengthen compliance, and enhance overall organizational performance. Trending highlights and conclusion. So let us see this. So this live online training program includes practical clause interpretation, industry best examples, interactive discussions, question and answer sessions, and professional guidance from experienced trainers. All participants will receive a IMS internal auditor certificate upon successful completion of training and examination. This program is suitable for HSE professionals, IMS and EHS managers, internal auditors, consultants, compliance and safety officers. Thank you for watching this detailed overview of our IMS 2 days online training program on ISO 45001 and ISO 14001. For training schedules, registration and further details, please contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Before we conclude, we request you to please like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates on ISO trainings, management system standards, auditing programs, and professional certification courses. Your subscription helps us helps you, stay informed with our latest ISO training content and industry updates. We look forward to supporting your journey toward effective safety, environmental, and integrated management systems. Thank you.